You guys, I am so pumped and so excited. We have Jimmy inside of our community that's hit 10,000 already, and it's only the 15th of April, you guys. He's just an old country boy from Arkansas. And we have Victoria inside of our community. She's a stay-at-home mom, army wife to 3 little boys, and she's hit her second 6 figures in 9 months with our Legacy Builder program, you guys. This is not just another course sitting in your computer. It's a program, a live, hands-on, interactive program where you can get on live and ask your questions and learn how my mentor has made her first $1 million in 17 months with digital marketing, and learn from other 7, 4, 5, 6-figure earners. That way you know exactly what to do on a daily basis, my friends. We are not here to teach you how to grind and take more time away from your family. We're here to teach you how to leverage your time with a 2-hour workday and a fully automated business that works in the background for you 24/7, out there delivering value to your perfect customers. I started completely from scratch. I knew nothing about digital marketing. I knew nothing about social media. We give you a launchpad kit to show you how to go from a complete beginner to launch to profit within 7 days. And nope, there's no tech involved because the company actually sets up, builds your website for you. So that eliminates tech and saves you a lot of time. You're never on this journey alone, my friends. We have over 13,000 people in our community here to support you and encourage you, and I cannot wait to celebrate your success. So if you're ready to learn how to make daily pay, ready to learn how to make 100% profit, ready to learn the skills to earn $900 a day, you guys realize that's $328,000 a year that you could earn. What could that do for you and your family? Would that allow you to spend more time with your family doing the things that you love? Be proud of your bank account. Not have to check your bank account every time you leave the house to see if you have money to do anything. If you'd like to learn more, let me know. Drop a 1 in the comments, and I'd absolutely love to share the information with you.